Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to stop automatic withdrawals on Vanguard. Open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Profile and Account Settings. On this page, you will see several options. Click on Automatic Withdrawal. Now, you will see your automatic withdrawals. Under it, you will see an option for Delete. Click on Delete. A pop-up window will appear asking if you are sure to delete the automatic withdrawal plan. To continue, click on the Yes button. And now your automatic withdrawal plan has been deleted. That's how you stop automatic withdrawal on Vanguard. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.